Okay, so in our last video, we figured out why order of operations is important. We don't want to end up with two different answers for the same question. So now that we kind of understand why it's important, we're going to look at a more complex question and really put our order of operations to the test here. So I've written out BEDMAS, again our acronym, brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now remember, division and multiplication and addition and subtraction are sort of at the same level. So whenever we have division or multiplication, there's going to be a new rule, and that rule is to work from left to right. So anytime we have both division and multiplication in one question, we do whichever one's on the left first. Or whenever we have addition and subtraction in the same question, we start with whatever's on the left. So if we look at the question, 4 plus 5 times 6 divided by 3 minus 4 times 4. It might look a little long to start off with, but it's okay because we're going to follow our order of operations. So first, forgot to put the brackets on there. First we look, do we have brackets? Yes, now that I've added them on there, we do have brackets. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So 4 plus 5 is inside the brackets. We need to add these first. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And then we just take the rest of the question and bring it down. So now we have, instead of 4 plus 5 times 6, we have 9 times 6 divided by 3 minus 4 times 4. Now we need to go down our list. Do we have any exponents? We do not have any exponents. Exponents would look something like this. This is an exponent when it's a tiny number above another number. We don't have those. We're not going to worry about those right now. Then we go down even further. Do we have division or multiplication? We do. We have both. So remember, we need to follow this rule, left to right. So what's on the left first? Well, 9 is being multiplied by 6. So 9 times 6 equals 54. And then again, we bring the rest of our problem down. So 54 divided by 3 minus 4 times 4. Now we don't leave this level of the list. We still have division and multiplication to work with, which means we still have to follow the left to right rule. So 54 divided by 3 is 18. And then we bring the rest of our question down. 18 minus 4 times 4. Our last bit of multiplication we need to finish before we can move on to addition and subtraction. 4 times 4 is 16. So now we have 18 minus 16. So even though 18 was on the left, the BEDMAS rule, the order of operations rule, supersedes the left to right. So we have to do multiplication here before we do what's on the left here. So now we have 18 minus 16. Our answer is 2. And because of the order of operations, everybody should end up with the same answer.